Feed is the most expensive input in poultry production, which accounts for about 70% of total production cost. In order to achieve the required production capacity, it is beneficial to make positive changes in the poultry diet. The ICAR Directorate of Poultry Research, Hyderabad, made significant contribution in poultry nutrition to reduce feed cost and improve the poultry production through intensive research in frontier areas of poultry nutrition over the past 3 decades. The outcome from the structured research culminated in development of several useful technologies which are being adopted by poultry farmers across the country. Some useful technologies which gained wider acceptability include maize could be replaced with bajra, jowar or korra in broiler and layer diet. Similarly, soybean meal could be partially replaced with guar meal, DDGS from rice, til cake, 00 mustard cake and cotton seed meal by fortifying the diets with crystalline amino acids.
As an alternative to maize, we have worked on sorghum, we have worked on bajra, we have worked on koda, that is foxtail millet or pearl millet, like that. So, and how much percentage we can incorporate in the poultry feed, like maize is incorporated and up to 65 to 70% depending on whether it is layer or broiler or whether different stages of the poultry life. So, sorghum that can be incorporated up to 100% that we have found out earlier, and similarly koda and bajra that can also be incorporated up to certain level as an alternative to maize. And recently we have done some work on bajra in collaboration with ICRISAT, that is an international research institute on agriculture.
Non-digestible phytin phosphorus was made available with supplementation of either microbial phytase or vitamin D3. Adapting these approaches could reduce inorganic phosphorus requirement up to 10 kg per ton. The toxic effects of aflatoxin were countered by incorporating vegetable oil rich in polyunsaturated fatty acid in broiler diet. Other supplements like ascorbic acid, toxin binders, liver tonic were partially effective in minimizing the aflatoxin effects in broilers. The negative effects of summer stress on poultry were minimized through amino acid balancing in low protein diets and supplementation of fat, organic trace minerals, osmolytes and buffering agents in diet. Supplementation of fiber degrading enzymes like xylanase, galactosidase, mannanase, glucanase, cellulase and protease improve the nutrient availability and chicken performance. These enzymes improved the body weight gain and feed efficiency. Several novel feed additives like organic acids, essential oil, osmolytes, emulsifiers, inert fiber and direct feed microbes were tested to improve the function of chicken digestive system. Chicken eggs is a complete food. The eggs were further enriched with omega fatty acids and iron to provide additional nutrients to meet the human needs. Humane method of mounting egg-laying chicken was demonstrated by supplementing the diet with zinc or iodine. Nutrient allowances for rural chicken germplasm during the nursery phase were developed, which are being utilized across the country by various rural poultry farmers. Besides providing technical support, the aforementioned nutritional technologies of ICAR DPR are expected to save about 9,000 to 14,000 crores of rupees on feed cost per annum. The ICAR Directorate of Poultry Research is committed to serve the nation by developing practical solutions to poultry farmers and thereby ensuring the availability of egg and chicken meat at affordable price to all the Indian population.